Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to maintain media volume while using navigation. So normally when you're using navigation in your car, your phone may lower or interrupt the media volume. So say for example, if there's a turn coming ahead, your music is playing in the background, your navigation system will basically say left turn ahead and it'll basically lower the volume. So with this good lock feature, your music or video volume remains consistent even while using the navigation. So this ensures a smoother multimedia experience, especially when driving, gaming, or multitasking. So let me show you how to turn this feature on. So first, you want to go ahead and open up the Good Lock app. Now in the Good Lock app, scroll down all the way and find Sound Assistant. Now here, you want to go ahead and scroll down and find Maintain Media Volume while using navigation. So as you can see, I've already switched it on. However, you can go ahead and turn the feature on. So as it reads, it says it may not work depending on the vehicle manufacturer's settings. So for some of you, maybe you have turned it on, however, it won't apply as maybe the vehicle is restricting this. So the point of this is that it'll maintain the media volume. So whatever you're playing from Spotify or YouTube Music, it'll keep playing while your navigation is saying the instructions. So this way you have no sudden volume drops, better for music and video experience, ideal for navigation apps and gaming. It maintains immersion and reduces distraction. So there you go guys, that is how to maintain media volume while using navigation on a Samsung Galaxy device.